This is seedlings of Rajaphora apiculata. You can see how the stray cattle has damaged the seedlings. All the tender leaves has been bruised, and even the twigs of the seedlings has been broken as a result of browsing. Here all this shows the browsing is heavy, whereas the tall seedlings are not disturbed by the cattle. There is another species which is coming up naturally in this area is Sonacia alba, which comes usually in the sandy area. This is a magnificent species of this area, and there is very less damage because of its height. And we have planted only Rajaphora apiculata because most of this area is covered by muddy, so that is preferred by Rajaphora apiculata species.